Pásala si no repruebas, Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ellen John YTT. And then from my page you have to click on the add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So here you will only find viral stickers, so you can check these too if you want. So you have to click until you find it. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And at the end of the story, when I'll do it, I will show you from where you can get that link if you don't want to go to YouTube. So I'll show you from where you can get that link in the Instagram app. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this one right here. Really doesn't matter for me, guys, but you can make it perfect. You can place your sticker where you want to make it bigger or smaller, and once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it. So now let me show you from where you can get that link if you are not able to click on the add yours button. Go to super viral at highlights, and here you have to click until you find it. So there we have it. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can check this YouTube link right here, so click on it. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.